Hello, future certified paralegals. I'm Eva Merrell, a NALA Advanced Certified Paralegal. I'm here to help you in your preparation for the knowledge portion of the CP exam. There are 9 sections in the knowledge exam, including those listed here. Additional preparation is recommended for the skills portion of the exam. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to one of the 9 topics covered in the CP Review on-demand webinar series. This video covers the real estate and property section. Now let's review the topics covered in the webinar. The real estate and property CP Review session begins with an overview of the types of property, such as real property and personal property. It explains why distinguishing between the types of property is important for property transfers, financings, and other situations. The session also provides an overview of the types of estates in which real property is held, including ownership and leasehold estates. The presenter also discusses the ways in which natural persons and businesses may hold those estates. In the real estate and property CP Review session, viewers learn about public controls on real property, such as condemnation. They also learn about private controls, such as the rules of local homeowners associations. This session discusses other restrictions on the use of real property, including easements and zoning regulations. The presenter reviews how these restrictions are created and how they affect the real property that is burdened by them. Special types of real property are also examined. This includes the popular condominium style of ownership, as well as the more rarely seen cooperative ownership structure. In the real estate and property CP Review session, attendees are introduced to some basic concepts of leases, with a focus on commercial leases. Additionally, the presenter briefly reviews the eviction process. This session provides an overview of various methods of transferring real property. Examples include situations such as the purchase of a home by an individual or the condemnation of property by a governmental entity. As you may know, real property purchasers typically go through a process of gathering information about the property they wish to purchase. This process is called due diligence. The webinar highlights some of the reports commonly obtained during due diligence and focuses in particular on title reviews. It also focuses on various methods of identifying real property by the use of legal descriptions. Viewers are also introduced to deeds, mortgages, and other documents that are encountered at typical real estate closings. For instance, attendees learn about the various types of deeds and the warranties they contain. The session concludes with an introduction to various types of real property litigation, such as quiet title actions. Now, in addition to the presentation itself, viewers of the real estate and property section of the NALA CP Review series also receive valuable handouts. The presenter provides attendees with a list of over 150 terms that are essential for paralegals to know about property law. Viewers also receive a set of about 30 practice questions and answers and an extensive study guide that they can use to study for the real estate and property section of the CP exam. Now that you understand the topics covered in the real estate and property section, I encourage you to assess if you need additional preparation to be successful in this topic. The identified on-demand webinar is one way to learn more, and you can find a link to it in the comments section below. Please remember that the certified paralegal exam is not a test of specific information that you as an examinee have learned in any specific setting. The CPA exam is a professional certification. It demonstrates your core competencies related to the paralegal field overall. Your preparation should include formal and informal education, on-the-job training, professional experience, and targeted testing preparation. NALA has other resources for preparation, including the CP Fundamental Book and specific on-demand webinars in a variety of topics. We also encourage you to explore other sources of information about this section of the exam. NALA should not be your sole source of exam preparation. If you have any questions about qualifying or taking the CP exam, please reach out to the NALA certification team. They're here to help. You can also go to nala.org to learn more. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your certified paralegal journey.